Letter number... no, we learned all the letters in the alphabet. Well, if you didn't yet, watch this playlist from the beginning. Check the link in the description of this video. No, in this video we're gonna talk about special characters that are not officially letters in the alphabet. Don't worry, they're not many, just a few. Actually 3 to be specific. We're gonna talk about 2 in this video, okay? And the 3rd in the next video. First, we'll start with this character. It's called Alif Maqصورة and sometimes called Alif Layna. Layna means soft, a soft alif. Now it looks like a ya, like the letter ya, the last letter of the Arabic alphabet, only without the 2 dots below it. And it's pronounced a, like an alif without a hamza. A. Now why do we need 2 alifs? You'll get to know that and more as you progress in your learning journey. For now, to avoid confusion, just know that it's pronounced like an alif without a hamza, a, and that it mostly comes at the end of the word, rarely in the middle of the word, and never at the beginning of the word. An example, common word, this word, ila, which means to. Imagine if we replace this alif maqsura with a regular alif, illa, which means except. Again, you'll learn more. Just take things step by step, okay? So this is the first one, sweet and simple. Let's check the second one. This one is called ta مربوطة, which means a tied ta. Now remember the 3rd letter of the Arabic alphabet, this ta. See, this is ta مربوطة, which means a tied ta. The regular ta, the ta that we know, is called ta مفتوحة, which means an open ta. Imagine that this is a string or a rope and it got tied into a loop, like so. Now it looks like ha at the end of the word. See, remember we said in the ha video, I'll leave the link in the description too, that at the end of the word, ha will look like a single loop. If the letter that comes before the ha or ta marbuta doesn't link to the letter that comes after it, ha or ta marbuta will look like this. If it was the other way around, the letter does connect with the letter that comes after it, then this is how ha or ta marbuta will look. So it looks exactly like a ha, only with 2 dots, the same 2 dots that the ta has. Now, how is it pronounced? If the word that it's in, that it's part of, that comes at the end of it, is associated with another letter, with another word, sorry, it's gonna be pronounced ta, exactly like ta. If not, it's gonna be pronounced ha. What do we mean by that? Let's check an example. Let's say this word, سيارة. We said a car, it means a car. But whose car? What car? We didn't say. So this word سيارة is not associated with any other word or other name. So ta مربوطة here will be pronounced like ha. سيارة. But if we say that this is Sarah's car, سيارة سارة. See, now ta مربوطة is pronounced ta. Without Sarah, it was سيارة. Now that it's associated with Sarah, it's سيارة Sarah. I know Sarah also has a ta marbuta at the end of it, but it's odd to associate a person, someone, with something else. You can't say, for example, Sarat Michael. No, that sounds odd. So it's pronounced Sarah. Okay, so Sayyarat Sarah. That goes for other examples, like let's just say Imara, which means principality. Which is principality? Monaco, Dubai. If we say Imarat, see, Imarat Dubai. Imara if it's not associated, and Imarat Dubai if Imara is associated with Dubai. Another example where ta marbuta will look like this. Okay, if we say wilaya, which means one of the states within the United States of America Federation. Wilaya. Which wilaya? Let's say, for example, Texas. Now it becomes wilayat Texas. Without Texas, wilaya. With Texas, wilayat Texas. And so on. Sounds good? Practice these 2, the alif maqsura and the ta marbuta. Alif maqsura and ta marbuta. Practice them well. You can watch the video multiple times if you need. If you have any questions or if you need any further explanation, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. If you have any feedback of any kind, comment below. and I'll see you in the next video.